Hello everybody, today I'm here with...
Lorenzo Olivieri.
And where do you work? What do you do?
I am a researcher at the University of Padova. I work on space debris.
And why space is important for you?
Space is important because space is the future of humankind. We have to go to space and explore and expand in the universe.
And talking about space, a quick thought about ASTROBEAT, the mission both regarding the science and the art part.
Regarding the science, ASTROBEAT is important because the sustainability is a fundamental step in our pattern to the stars. And about art, it's the same. With the art from ASTROBEAT, we can be nearer to the stars and we can disseminate the research to all the people of the Earth.
Thank you very much, Lorenzo, and see you up there.